Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. So today we're in our By the Sea episodes and we're going to be working on a shark. I don't know that he's a particular kind of shark, he's just a shark. Now, we're going to go horizontal on our paper because he is longer than he is tall. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make an eyeball like shape that tapers out longer to the back. So the curve is mostly in the front. Okay. And I'm going to come down and then I'll curve back. Okay. Very good. Now I need to add the tail. So I'm going to come out a little bit, out a little bit. And then I'm going to make a high curve here and a smaller one here. To fill that tail out, I'll come in and down, mimicking that line behind it. And I'm going to get a little bit more connection between my tail and my body so it looks more smooth and continuous. All right here, we have a triangle of a fin. Then up, almost where the bump is, we're going to make his top fin. That fin you always see when you're pretending that a shark is coming to get you in the water. Ah! And then we're going to curve slightly in and down. Okay. Now we're going to divide him across using this back line of the tail as our starting point. So I'm going across his body. Now he's got a nice divided body. Let's get rid of a little bit of that down there to make that clearer. Okay. Now we're going to take that middle line, and that's where we're going to anchor his fin that is on the side of his body. So we're going to come down and slightly back, and then slight curve to the right, back up to that line. Now, we do want to see the fin that would be on the other side of his body, but obviously we won't see the whole thing. We'll just see the tip of the fin, just like we see the tip right there underneath him. Okay. Now, as far as the other fins on the bottom, I've got one happening a little bit further in than this triangle and probably about the same size. And then a little bit further in, but still more towards the back than the front, we've got a small triangle. All right, we're doing pretty good. We're going to come in and a little bit below this tip, we're going to come and make a line that cuts in for where his mouth is. Now, if you are a fan of Baby Shark, then you could make him very happy looking. If you want to go for a more realistic shark, just kind of give him a grimace. And we're going to come right here to the line, and we are going to add our circle for his eye. We're going to add 1, 2, 3 gills. And I would really like there to be kind of like a spotted situation going on my little shark. Kind of like maybe like he's got some sort of pattern, but not all over, obviously, just kind of like freckles. Okay, so we are ready to Sharpie. I'm going to worry about his fin first because that is the thing that's in front that could come to trip me up later. And then I'll go across and down. And that line connects to my tail, which comes over and a little ways to the top fin. There's the back triangle. Now, I'm going to pick this line back up again when I get to the point of my shark fin. And then I will come and put it right there. And now I'm going to get the bottom of him. There's the bottom two triangles. And here is the tip of the fin on the other side. I am going to finish up to connect that dividing line right there. I'm going to add his 3 slits and his mouth and his eye. I am going to leave a slight reflection because I feel like it makes him a little bit more alive, a little bit more in the land of living fish. Okay. I am going to create a little indentation with my thin Sharpie, but then I'm going to kind of loosely come and define these little spots I've given him. Not being super exact about how I draw them or how I distribute them. I just want them to look scattered like freckles. All right, there we go. So you guys are ready to give your shark some colors. Maybe it's a more realistic shark. Maybe it's like our friends from Pinkfong and it's all kinds of colors. Either way, have fun. We'll see you guys again later.